Dairy's Passion presents 501 Highway Grill. 501 Highway Grill is located in Gimbal, Philippines. It is a popular restaurant that offers a variety of special features. Firstly, it not only serves as a restaurant, but also offers garden sheds, an event pavilion, and grand suites for overnight stays. This makes it a versatile location for both dining and events. Secondly, its menu is quite diverse. One of their special dishes includes the Sweet and Sour Fish Fillet, which is highly recommended. Lastly, it's known for its beautiful location and great atmosphere. It's a place where you can enjoy delicious food while taking in the scenic views. You can also do swimming if there's a lifeguard, since it is also a beach resort. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give comments for more video like these.